Hi, I'm Chris, the Fireplace Whisperer, and in today's tool tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about Malco's Divider. I also call it a compass, but they call it a divider. It's etched right in there. So Malco's Divider, what it does is it scribes a circle, and it's fully adjustable. So this is your little keeper. You would loosen that from its, this is how I store it in my tool bucket. I do, because these are fairly sharp points right here, I put it down in my bucket so I don't stab myself. So when I pull it out, I loosen the keeper right here, and now that'll just slide down, and I can adjust this. And I would use my tape measure to measure this. So if I wanted to scribe a 10-inch circle, I would measure 5 inches across here. And then when I scribe, I'm going to pivot on one point here and then scribe and swing around. So I'd pivot right here, and then I would just take this and rotate it, and now I have a 10-inch circle marked out. So you can adjust this anywhere from probably 1/2 inch all the way out to, you know, so it's about 16 inches. So you can do a 1-inch circle or a 32-inch circle. I'm Chris, the Fireplace Whisperer. Thanks for watching. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, you could do it now or later or now. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.